This is also very nice today on the 21st of April 2024. We have Folkungagatan 160 here in Södermalm, Stockholm, Sweden. The best is 8 persons or 630 grams, so it's 6 floors. Now this was built in 1991, it says here, November 91 on the glass, so finished in December 1991 probably, but delayed, but still. December it says 84437. We have also found the building 158 here in the same house, so check the third one at least here as well. Let's get the ride here. I have memory it was just one for the ride, but yes. What a really weird find. Here's the robotic one.
Yeah. Inspected by Decker, maintained by Trykkahissi Stockholm.
So number 158 in the same house, it's a faster traction alloy.
Yeah.
With 6 floors. Here's robotic lower one, 6 floors.
Yeah.
Very weird.
That's.
So thank you very much.